If your Excel file has more than one sheet, you need to know how to move between them quickly. I will show you the easiest ways to switch sheets in Excel. The simplest way is to use the sheet tabs at the bottom of the workbook. Each tab is one worksheet. The Highlight tab is the sheet you are currently viewing. To switch sheets, just click the tab you want. For example, I will click January. Now, I will click February. And now, I will click Summary. This is the easiest method when you only have a few sheets. If you want to switch faster, use the keyboard shortcut. Hold Ctrl and press Page Down to move to the next sheet. Excel jumps to the next worksheet right away. To go back to the previous worksheet, hold Ctrl, then press Page Up. This shortcut is very useful when you are moving through nearby sheets like January, February. One beginner note: on some laptops, Page Up and Page Down are combined with other keys. If the shortcut does not work, you may need to hold the Function key as well. So, the shortcut may be Ctrl plus Page Down or Ctrl plus Function plus Page Down, depending on your keyboard. Now, let's look at what happens when you have many sheets. Sometimes, not all sheet tabs fit at the bottom. When that happens, use these small navigation arrows on the left side of the sheet tab. Click the right arrow to scroll through tabs that are out of view. When you see the sheet you want, click the tab to open it. The sheet was not deleted. It was just out of view. There is also a faster way to jump to a specific sheet in a large workbook. Right-click the navigation arrows. Excel show a dialog box. These are a list of worksheets in the workbook. Choose the sheet you want, then confirm. That is much faster than scrolling through many tabs one by one. Here in this example, I jump from the first page summary to the last sheet tab, December. To jump back to the first sheet tab, right click, select summary, click OK. Now, I jump immediately to any page as I want. Here are 2 quick tips. First, do not assume a sheet is gone just because you cannot see its tab. It may be simply off screen. Second, use a clear sheet name like January, February, March, and summary, because they are much easier to find than sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. Quick recap. Click a sheet tab for the simplest method. Use Ctrl plus Page Down for the next sheet. Use Ctrl plus Page Up for the previous sheet. And for large workbook, use the navigation arrows or right-click them to see the full sheet list. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.